it's Carson, and today I'm going to be showing you how I normally cook a salad for my family. Here's what you need for a basic family salad. I don't like to use celery from like a full thing of celery, so I'd use this because it comes with some carrots and cabbage. So it's a lot easier because cutting carrots is very hard. Next thing, I have a tomato, normal. I have half of a bell pepper. I have some celery. I have a cutting board. And I have just a few different kinds of knives. Yeah. In that time-lapse video, I was cutting up the celery and the tomato. You can do it any way you'd like to cut it up, but that's how I do it, just to make it go faster. Always remember to throw away the extra pieces of celery. Or, I heard about this cool fact. If you put it out in your yard, it actually helps the grass grow. I'm going to be cutting up some cucumber. I do not like to use a peeler whenever I take off the skin. I like to use a knife and just cut thin little strokes down it and then just cut it how you normally would cut it. Now that I've cut up all 4 ingredients, you can add it into a bowl. This is how my salad ended up, and I hope yours looks like this too. Thanks for watching. Bye!